Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live, mga kapuso, naghisgot ang mga itag sunog kaganiha. Karong buntaga mga kapuso atong ilailahon kini usa ka dalaga gikan sa Lapu-Lapu City, burn survivor kung matawag niya ang iyang kaugalingon apan bisan sa iyang nagian mga kapuso, gigamit niya ni nga kahigayunan aron makadapit og makahatag sa og positibo nga disposisyon dili lang sa iyang pamilya apan si mahigala og sa iyang mga kaila. Atong ilailahon karong buntaga si Lara Francesca Lasam. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, Lara, for joining us this morning. Daghan kayong salamat sab nga mo share ka sa imong storya sa atong mga viewers. Can you tell us what happened to you? That was 8 years ago, Cheska, no? Kato nga incident?
Basically, we went to Osaka Fiesta, and then there was a power outage, and then I had to answer the call of nature. I had to pee, kailangan ko mangihi, and well, there was no power and everything, so my lola suggested that I just urinate on the sidewalk since nobody would see me, but there was like something really inside me. I had to urinate in the proper area. That's the bathroom or the comfort room. So my little cousin Jam volunteered herself to bring a candle with us. That was 2012. I didn't have a phone or a flashlight with me, so the candle was the most probable thing to bring. Yeah, when we were there, kay nagluto man to ang mga adults og food for the fiesta. And when we went to the CR, kay after I was in the middle of bringing my shorts and panty up, the CR blew up. Like it literally, like every single thing that I saw, kay kayo ra jud siya, puros kayo, like the entire CR, and it was really painful. So basically, gidakop sa kandila, sa kandila ang gas from either methane from the methane from the comfort room or the LPG gas from where the adults were cooking. So basically, me and Jam spent 2 months in the hospital, underwent 9 operations under general anesthesia, and a couple without general anesthesia. When I went to school, I really didn't want to go out or anything. So given my scar situation and whatnot, because when you get burns, you don't just recover from the physical wounds, you recover from the emotional turmoil that the scars bring afterwards and the deformations and whatnot. So my mom had to think of something to make me want to go out. So I wore masks for 7 years. I wore masks and cardigans to cover the burns and my scars because I was really, really shy with it. And just about recently, I started going out and showing people my scars and encouraging people to embrace them for who they are.
Kumusta imong pagdawat ato nga hitabo, Cheska?
People surrounding me were all positive. Kay pila ko mo giingon sa doctor gani nga give her positivity and hope, kay it helps with the healing physically, mentally, your mental state, kay mo translate to your physical state. So katong nga time it was really painful and good niya ang akong hunahuna for the future, kay nga mabalik ako sa normal, like what I looked before what I would look after, kay mo may giingon sa mga tao niya magsige mo kog ask sa katong napamin sa hospital nga what would I look like after nga akong mom and the doctors, kay they would say nga kanang there will be no scars. They basically said that there will be no scars, it look totally fine after
7 years, no? You were saying nga you mag-wear lang kag mask aron i-hide ang imong mayon ta itsura. What prompted you nga eventually ipakita gyud nimo, i-reveal nimo ang imong self sa imong mga friends, imong mga kaila?
For the longest time, I haven't really heard anybody directly saying, you look ugly with your scars, you don't look presentable with your scars. Na-realize lang nako nga kanang, maybe it's me nga kanang telling myself nga, you don't look okay with your scars.
Sa imong mga friends, marag konsidera kanila nga source of inspiration, doon na pala may comment nga, you managed to turn storms into rainbows. How exactly do you do that, Cheska?
if something goes my way, murag ang universe nga niingon ako nga, okay, time for another challenge, another opportunity for you to grow and to bring along everybody around you to grow as well. So yeah, please don't be too hard on yourself. Like whatever happens, show yourself some love, show yourself compassion for everything that you went through. Heal at your own pace, please. You know your journey, you've been on your journey, and other people can tell you kanang how fast or how slow you will go in your healing journey or your overcoming of your insecurities journey. Healing or overcoming anything isn't linear. If today you think you're getting better and yet tomorrow you're gonna cry at the same stuff, it's okay. Let yourself cry, allow yourself to feel your emotions because they're valid and you are entitled to feel your emotions.
Pero of course, supportive kayo ang entire family. Makita na ko sa imong mga photos.
I don't think I would be in this sort of state, sharing to everybody, accepting interviews, if it wasn't for my support system.
Just to wrap this up, Cheska, message nimo sa mga nagtanaw nato karong buntaga.
You are more than your face, and you're more than your strifes, your failures, your setbacks, and those things that you think are keeping you from living the best lives are actually preparing you to live your best life. So I hope you have a day you wish you'll have. Thank you for having me.
Wow. Healing, gratitude, og love. May akong takeaway sa atong conversation karong buntaga. Thank you so much for joining us this morning and for sharing your story sa atong mga kapuso kang Lara Francesca Lasam. Thank you, Cheska.
Thank you so much.